All right, so last summer I built an outdoor entertainment system from scratch. I installed a 50-inch outdoor TV inside a custom cabinet using a touch-tone lift, and then I rebuilt my deck, added smart lighting, installed outdoor audio, and connected everything together through Home Assistant. But there's still one major problem. I don't actually have enough seating. So today my 14-year-old son is going to assemble the entire patio furniture by himself. Yeah, right. While I build the ultimate backyard watch party with the outdoor TV and the TV cabinet box. So let's see who finishes first. If you've been following this channel, you'll know this backyard has basically become my full-time hobby. What started as a simple landscaping project has slowly turned into a complete, smart backyard transformation. Let's just do a quick recap. In part 1, we completely rebuilt the landscaping, installed smart lighting, and started creating the foundation for the backyard. Part 2 was all about the deck, new composite decking, cable railing, accent lighting, and creating a space that actually worked for entertaining. Part 3 focused on the outdoor entertainment portion. I built a custom outdoor TV cabinet from scratch, used a touchstone TV lift, and I installed a 50-inch outdoor TV from Sylvox. For Part 4, we installed a new Weber Searwood 600XL pellet grill and tested it out with my barbecue buddy Matt. And while all that turned out amazing, there's still a lot of work to be done this summer, like somewhere for people to actually sit. I'm also super excited because Sylvox sent me their brand new outdoor 65-inch full sun frameless Pro TV and their waterproof outdoor motorized TV cabinet. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the patio where I installed a granite outdoor dining table. I basically have doubled my entertainment space for both my friends and family. So enters today's challenge. This is the Pamapic Corex HDPE outdoor sofa, which also comes with some accent chairs. And instead of assembling it myself, I've decided to put somebody else in charge.
I don't like where this is going.
Your job today is simple. Build all this furniture.
By myself?
Mostly.
Mostly?
I'm sure you'll figure it out.
That doesn't sound encouraging.
You'll be fine, probably.
Now, one of the reasons I was interested in this set is because it's built from HDPE. That's high-density polyurethane. Basically, it gives you the look of traditional outdoor furniture with all the maintenance headaches. Kind of like composite decking of sorts. No staining, no painting, no worried about wood rotting, and it should hold up much better in outdoor environments, especially here in Minnesota, where the weather likes to try and destroy everything.
All right, so how confident are you right now on a scale 1 to 10?
Like a 2?
A 2?
Maybe a 6?
6? That's higher than I expected, to be honest with you.
I haven't started yet.
Fair point.
While he's busy doing actual work, I'm going to focus on the fun part, technology.
Of course.
This is why you have kids.
I don't think that's why.
Last summer, I built this entire outdoor entertainment setup from scratch. This cabinet was completely custom. The TV lift came from Touchtone. I designed the cabinet around it, and it's been one of my favorite projects I've built. But this year, we're taking things a step further. Sylvox sent over their brand new outdoor entertainment cabinet along with their new 65-inch frameless outdoor TV. And this is going to become the centerpiece of a second outdoor entertainment zone. Now, before anyone jumps into the comments, yes, I know you're going to want a full review of this. I'm planning separate videos covering the new 65-inch frameless TV, the entertainment cabinet, and then a comparison between my custom-built cabinet and this pre-built solution, and even the 50-inch versus the 65-inch, just for fun. But today isn't about reviewing TVs. Today's about finishing this backyard, or getting one step further, rather. At this point, I got a TV, I got smart lighting, I've got outdoor audio, I've got home assistant automations. What I don't know is whether he actually is going to finish the furniture.
How's it going?
I think I found step 1.
I think we're in trouble.
Now that the TV is installed, it's time for my favorite part, automating everything. Because if you watch this channel for more than 5 minutes, you know that I have a hard time leaving anything manual. Unfortunately for me, the Sylvox TV cabinet doesn't have any smart integrations with Home Assistant. I tried to use my Broadlink and Bond hubs without any success. I'm waiting to get some information back from Sylvox on the cabinet communication protocols, and if it can be done, I'll make a separate video. In the meantime, though, I installed a contact sensor on the TV cabinet to trigger automations with lighting when I open the cabinet like a peasant. The idea here is simple. One contact sensor, everything activates, no remotes, well, except the TV cabinet now. No apps, no running around trying to remember what turns on what. With one contact sensor, the TV powers on, the audio system comes online, the outdoor lighting changes, and the entire backyard transforms into a watch party. Completely unnecessary? Absolutely. Do I love it? Also absolutely.
Now how's it going?
I've built one armrest.
I've already automated the entire backyard.
I hate this game.
At this point, things were actually starting to come together. The furniture was beginning to look like furniture, which honestly exceeded my expectations.
All right, important question. How many times have you had to take something apart and rebuild it?
Like 3, maybe 4 times.
Only 4? That's actually pretty impressive.
How many times have you rebuilt your TV cabinet?
We're not talking about me right now.
That's what I thought.
Fair enough.
I have to admit, the furniture turned out really good. The finished setup looks fantastic, the cushions are comfortable, the construction feels solid, and the HDPE material should make long-term maintenance significantly easier.
The biggest takeaway from this entire thing is that a teenager assembled it.
Mostly.
Mostly.
You've handed me a screwdriver one time.
I think that counts as supervision. Comfort test? Passed.
Can I stop building things now?
Not until we're done filming.
I knew there was a catch.
This is exactly what I imagined when I started building this backyard. Not a collection of gadgets, not a bunch of random projects, a place where people actually want to spend some time. Last year, we built the first outdoor entertainment area. This year, we added a second. And for the first time, the Smart Backyard project finally feels like it's taking shape. And that's really the point. Technology is great, automation is great, but all of this should make life better and create spaces where people want to hang out. Like I said, the furniture looks great, it's comfortable, assembly was straightforward enough that he was able to complete it with minimal help. Well, define minimal. And it fits perfectly into the watch party setup. Now, if you're wondering about the new Sylvox setup, don't worry. We're just getting started. I've got a dedicated review coming on, a 65-inch frameless outdoor TV, the entertainment cabinet, a comparison between the setup and the custom touchstone cabinet I built last year, and a full 50-inch versus 65-inch outdoor TV showdown. So make sure you're subscribed because those videos are coming soon, and hopefully I can make the cabinet smart. A year ago, this backyard was just an idea. 5 videos later, it's starting to take shape, but we have plenty more to come.
Would you do this again?
Depends.
On what?
How much you're paying.
I knew that was coming.
I'm just saying.
If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.